morning, you guys, and welcome to a day in the life with me. I've been brainstorming a ton of video ideas because I really want to prioritize YouTube and create much more long-form video content for you guys. And I was bouncing ideas off of my boyfriend in bed last night, and he said, well, why don't you just film a day in the life of a fitness influencer slash content creator? So that's exactly what I'm doing today. And although every day is a little bit different, I specifically have a little bit of everything to do today, so I thought that it would be the perfect day to bring you guys along with me. If you've been keeping up with my Instagram stories, you will know that I've been putting my parents through an 8-week boot camp before their holiday. We are in week 8 of 8, and I'm so incredibly proud of them. They train with me about 5 days a week now, and they're going to be here in about 20 minutes. But before they arrive, I need to have a shower to get this hair mask out of my hair, because right after we finish, I need to get ready to shoot. I'm going to finish my greens, do my 5-minute journal, and then get ready. As you can see, I'm now in our home gym. I just got the room ready for my parents' workout. I usually plan their workout when I'm in bed the night before, and then I like to get in here about 10 to 15 minutes early just so I can prep their equipment and also practice the exercises myself, just to make sure that there's a nice flow to the workout. Today we have a low impact full body workout. We have 4 different exercise combinations. We're gonna perform each one for 45 seconds with 15 seconds of rest. And then once they've completed an exercise 3 times, we are gonna do 1 minute of weighted heel taps. Like I said, I always like to get in here early to practice the moves, so that's exactly what we're gonna do now. Finished getting ready, it is finally time for me to film my short form content. I film all of my workout content at my auntie's house. She has a beautiful home gym that I'm so incredibly lucky to be able to use, not only to work out, but also for my job. I usually shoot a ton of concepts in one day. Today I'm shooting videos in collaboration with Move With Us, Gymshark, and aritzia. My Canadian girls will get it, but this is definitely one of the biggest pinch me moments in my content creator career yet. And I am so incredibly thankful and just honestly speechless about the fact that I'm working with aritzia this month. These two packages arrived at my doorstep yesterday morning, and I held out so that we could open them together. I'm also currently babysitting, and I know that my younger cousin loves a good clothing haul, so let's get her first reaction to Aritzia's new golden collection. All right, babe, come on out. You can pop on this chair, and then you're gonna give your honest reaction to this new collection, okay? Have you ever shopped at Aritzia before? Okay, but your mom has.
Yes.
Yes, okay. Our first two pieces. We have a really simple crop top.
I like that.
Like it? What do you think about the color?
I like the color.
Okay, cool. Same top in white.
I like that one better.
Better? Yeah. It's a good staple, right? Good closet staple. Kind of goes with everything.
Yeah.
Okay, good. So we like that so far. 10 out of 10. Oh my.
What did you order?
Long sleeve version of that cropped shirt we just saw. All right, same kind of really nice material. Same shirt, hip length in white. Ooh, some biker shorts. Then we have a matching sports bra. Top biker sleeves. What would you rate it out of 10?
7.
Okay, 7, we'll take it. And next up, we got a different short, different color. This is kind of that same gray color. Now these, okay. We've got our first pair of leggings. Oh,
I like that color.
this is a nice color. These feel really nice.
Oh yeah.
Sports bra top that goes matching with it. I think you'll like this. Ooh,
I like that.
we've got a,
I like the high neck.
yeah, full zip. Kind of goes into a bit of a mock neck turtleneck. We got another cute, same zip up. Lots of really beautiful neutrals. So this is called Haze Gray.
Kind of like the car that we saw.
Exactly like the car that we saw, yeah. Oh, we've got another. So this long sleeve, also in our favorite color, Turner taupe, but look at this pretty seam.
I like that.
We got a sports bra.
That's cute.
You like that? We got 2 more pieces, and they might be my favorite. Wha-bam!
Whoa.
We've got a jumpsuit
I like that.
in Turner taupe. Really nice. Last piece, same jumpsuit in our rich mocha brown. Lastly, too, did you know that these are the socks that everybody asks me about on TikTok?
Really?
Yeah, everybody asks, where did you get your socks? Where did you get your socks? Aritzia, everybody. Tell them. Tell the people.
Aritzia.
Aritzia. I probably hide you in all these clothes.
Yeah.
So I want to cut the bag beside us, actually. Here.
Yeah, this is really soft.
Yeah, right? That's just, those you'll have. Yeah, the white one, the crop top stuff in this color. The golden collection. And that has a shirt. With the room ready and prepped, I am finally ready to start shooting my content. I get a ton of questions about what camera I use, and I shoot all of my content with my Nikon D780 using a 50mm lens. When I'm filming, I use the SnapBridge app to connect my phone to my camera to help me make sure I'm in frame, in focus, and that the exposure is exactly what I want it to be. I will also always have my computer close by because I have all of my workouts and video concepts right here in a Google Doc. This is what I use to help guide these filming sessions. As you can see, I have changed and I'm now in outfit number 1, ready to shoot for the Aritzia Golden Collection.
If I had all the time in the world and I could spend it as I see fit, I would travel for a year. I would take all of the pressure off of my shoulders.
Okay, you guys, I am back. It is just after 3 o'clock. It turns out that working while also entertaining an 8-year-old is a lot more difficult than I expected. And so usually I'm only at my auntie's for about an hour to an hour and a half. Today I was there for almost 4. But anyway, I finished filming all of the content that I needed to, and now I need to run a couple of different errands. Firstly, I need to pick up my birth control. Then I need to go and return this thing. Literally the worst $30 I think I've ever spent. It is a Chuck It Nerf gun. Those Chuck Its can honestly be a lot on the shoulder. And so when I was at Canadian Tire, I picked this thing up and thought that it would be the best $30 I'd ever spend, and it turns out it was the worst. So I'm gonna return that. I also have a big bag of clothing donations back here that I need to drop off. Finally, I'm gonna see if I can get in to get this nail fixed. I broke it working out today, and it honestly just throws me off entirely. So I'm gonna give my nail tech a call right now. Hi Alice, this is Nairee. Good. I'm just wondering if you have an appointment or any time available for me to just get one nail fixed. I just broke one today. Okay, oh yeah, do you have time for me right now? Okay, I'll see you in 15. Okay, bye. She literally is the cutest human being in the world, and she can pretty much always fit me in. So turns out we're gonna go and get this bad boy fixed right now. All right, dinner is secured, and we're gonna do a little unboxing. Oh, that is looking good. All right, first up, we have Quinn's burger.
Looks delicious.
Apple and brie. Yum. Oh, my chicken arugula balsamic reduction.
That looks insane.
Flatbread. I don't know.
Last but not least.
Oh, definitely not least. The carrot cake.
What's
and
that?
then these are your roasted potatoes. All right, so that pretty much wraps up this day in the life. We're gonna eat this and then watch Love is Blind.
Oh, no we're not. Right.
We are watching Love is Blind. Rock, paper, scissors. For Love is Blind or Strays, best 2 out of 3. 3, 2. Wait.
Shoot. On shoot.
On shoot, okay. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Dang it. Okay, that's 1-0. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. No!
Straight as it is. Let's go, baby.
Woo! All right, well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys all in the next video. Who's happy?